What if I told you paradise wasn't an ocean away, but hidden in plain sight?
That just steps from the noise of the city.
A secret world waits, breathing quietly.
This is the story of a place forgotten by time.
Not on a remote island, but in the heart of a city. Welcome to the hidden paradise of Arkansas.
We leave the familiar behind. And follow the sound of water. Here, every detail holds a universe.
Walls that have held stories for centuries, whispering to those who listen. Each step is a crossing into deeper calm. Life moves at its own peaceful pace here.
Light dances where it pleases. Marking moments of quiet change.
Where the city above becomes a dream below.
Even in hidden places, life is nurtured. Quiet corners, made for quiet thoughts.
Finding sweetness, freely given.
A shared secret, enjoyed in gentle company.
This is the true heart of the city. Ancient, unchanging. Two worlds, existing side by side.
Paths built by hand, leading us back. From the quiet below to the life above. Carrying the calm with you. Point is the real magic of this place.
It's not an escape from the city.
It's the soul within it. By day or by night, it's always waiting. A hidden heart, beating in time with the city.
You take a piece of its peace with you.
The light on the water. The profound stillness.
The shared sense of wonder.
These places remind us to breathe.
To look closer. To find the wild in the woven.
And that's a journey worth taking.
If you're longing for more moments like this, I know where to look.
Subscribe, and let's keep discovering the hidden worlds together.